Hello, my friends. You might have heard about GPT-5. Well, I've done all sorts of things with previous GPT, so I decided to put GPT-5 to the test after hearing Sam Altman talk about it. And he bragged and raved about it, and I decided to give it one simple task. Let me show you what I did. I asked GPT-5 to create for me a game that I loved to play when I was little. And the game that I asked it to create, Space Invaders. I gave it a simple command. Can you make a game of Space Invaders? And off it went, creating the first version of what it did. I complained about the screen being blocked, so I gave it a screenshot and explained the problem. It solved that problem and created another problem. As you can see here, I said, now the graphics have gone totally crummy. It was better before. So this is talking to it in just simple natural language. Long story short, it solved the problem. And then it asks me towards the end if I wanted new code, right? And it first gave me bits of code, and I said, I need the entire code set. Just redo with all the right code. It was trying to get me to go in there and do the work. It said, gotcha, sorry about the visual downgrade, because I complained that the graphics were now downgraded. And it explained why the graphics looked crummy, and it said, replace your style with this. So I told it I couldn't. I needed it to do it for me. I need the entire code set. So it thought for a bit, gave me this new code set, which worked because I tested it. And at the end of the day, it made a suggestion. It said, awesome, here's the same. Okay, if you want me to bring back the fancy card intro as a quick auto fade without blocking the game, say the word and I'll add it. So I said, okay, yes, good idea. And this is what it came up with. I got to show you the game so that you understand how cool this is. Because the previous versions of GPT could not develop a game this good. So there's the splash screen, and this is a Space Invaders game, all within a few minutes. Just as I was waiting for a class to begin, I decided to create this game. And I'm telling you, it's a lot of fun to be able to create. But you see, this is the difference between those who understand what to do with code versus those who don't. If you have no idea what to do with code, my friends, you need to get some training so that you can take full advantage of things like this. Because this is the new frontier, being able to do things by yourself. It's the new currency. He was talking about how some organizations are probably going to be developed by one person and worth billions. Well, we've already seen that, but now it's become even more possible. Oh dear, I just lost my game. I just lost my game. But the entire idea with GPT is don't say it replaces thinking, say it amplifies thinking, say it amplifies possibilities. The possibility for you to make a groundbreaking discovery with technology, or for you to ask a question that no one's thinking of asking, and for you to get answers that make you a thought leader in that field, right? You're able to do so much research now, easy research at a very low cost. You can have GPT do so much for you. But if you look at it as I'm using it to replace my thinking, then that's not the right way to look at it. In my mind, you need to look at it as an opportunity to grow and expand using the power of artificial intelligence. It's still you, the human in the loop behind the computer. You get what I'm saying? So there's a reason we call it artificial. It's not real. You are the real person, so use it to put you further ahead by thinking and doing amazing things. I hope this gave you some insights into GPT-5. Jump in, play with it, and if you build anything that's pretty remarkable, why don't you share it in the chat? See you next time.